Instagram has an exciting feature that lets you send music directly in your DMs. And this is a fun way to communicate with our friends, family members, or colleagues. If a friend asks you what they should listen to, you can easily send them a music track in the conversation without exiting the Instagram app, going over to YouTube and finding the music video, copying the link, and other boring stuff. So the first step in this tutorial is to go over to your Google Play Store or your App Store and then check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app downloaded and installed on your device. This is very important because this is a relatively new feature, so you'll want to update Instagram if it's not updated yet. I'm then going to open the app and go over to my Instagram DMs, and you're then going to open a conversation with a friend or family member, or whoever you want to send the song to. I'll open this chat, and then what you need to do from here is to tap on the little sticker icon, which will open the stickers, but click on the stickers in the center, which will then show us these options. Simply tap on the music option, and that's going to open the music library section for us, where you want to search for a song that you'll send to the person. I'll send a Mozart song, just as an example, and you can see how it looks like when we send that person a song. It's going to have this cool vinyl cover with a vinyl disc inside of it. And those are basically the steps of sending music in your Instagram DMs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.